to my channel, and today we are going to
the beach.
yes, hopefully. And it's like currently like 7:45.
47.
Okay. And look, and yeah, we're gonna swim, I think.
You think?
I mean I don't know if I'm gonna swim. Look at the nice sky. Yeah. So we're now in Surprise and we're finding some snacks to eat for the picnic.
We can get like a mini cupcake or something. They sell cupcakes. Oh, itchy. Oh, we can get this. What's that? This sounds really good.
Yeah, those
What
are.
the heck is this? Oh my god. I've never had any of this.
Yeah, you know I prefer this than the chocolate one.
Yeah, this is also
The chocolate one has no taste.
Wait, how much should we get? 3?
2, 3.
We could share.
Yeah, we can share.
So we should get like an even amount. Wait, so how many is in one?
How much?
Two. There's 2 in one. NTUC.
Your favorite part?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think that's surprising.
Yeah, it's easy to like handle.
Yeah.
Y'all,
And you can like close it properly.
y'all want the original one or like the sour cream?
Sour cream.
Sour cream.
Yeah.
Sour cream.
Best
Okay.
flavor.
You guys can
Sour cream. Yeah, I can. Because we're sharing it all.
Yeah.
Do you need it?
Do y'all want a hot and spicy also?
Can.
I'm okay with anything.
Yeah.
As long as there's 2 different flavors.
Oh my god. Look guys, it's Kinder Joy.
You guys want to get one? I'm sorry. Which one? Oh wait, you know we can actually open the toys later and check. You can get the boy one. I want to get the girl one. I want boy.
You know what? Just get this.
Okay.
So twinsies. Okay. Then twinsies.
That's it? What drink? Wait, y'all want a juice or
Do
like...
you want like this?
Like, yeah, I think like this
So that
would
it's
be better.
easier.
That's apple.
I really recommend mango or apple.
Really?
Yeah, my brother drinks this for his.
You guys want to get mango? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Mango is the lead.
Uh-huh.
Mango. I think you should take this out.
Okay.
I got the ball. Look at what's inside.
Oh my god, not on the Twinkies.
Not on the.
Can you guys move the Twinkies?
Wow. Oh my god. Look at the amount of sugar.
There's milk. Oh my god, again.
What is your problem?
Oh shit.
Okay, so what we could get?
Maybe banana milk.
Oh, banana milk. That's kind of.
Gross.
That's kind of.
Maybe papaya milk.
I think that's even more.
Yeah.
Gross.
Banana milk.
Okay, so we're gonna get iced lemon tea.
So what's that sugar?
I mean, they taste the same.
Okay.
Yeah, really.
Really?
So we're gonna pay.
Wait, can you stash here? So am I going? Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Boy,
Are you serious?
what's happening? But you put it there. Oh, okay. Thanks.
Oh my god.
I think you should bag it.
Yeah.
So
I don't
guys,
have the thing.
we are waiting for a taxi or booking a Grab.
Oh wait, shit.
And I finally learned how to do low power mode.
Wow.
Yay!
Oh my god. We're in the car.
Yes, going
With
to.
Mega in it. I'm in here. Okay.
Let's see the view. Actually, I should show the view. Look at the nice view, guys. Oh, look at the in front. I like the in front part because it looks very magical.
Right? Magical. But it's only like this past. Oh my god, that's the USA.
It reminds me of Disneyland.
It definitely will. Hey, where's... Oh my god, someone's missing. Oh.
We are at
We
Sentosa,
are
so we're
walking to
like
Sentosa
walking to the beach, and yeah, we're walking. Yeah, I almost fell. Okay, look at my fit.
Oh yeah, it'll be quite... Oh my god! Why did I feel drunk water?
So here we're at.
Oh wait, should we
Sentosa
go on
Beach.
that?
What? We're at the beach. Wowza.
Do a Theo's pose. Oh my god, hi guys, I'm so cool. I'm like the coolest person ever. Absolutely so cool.
Can it see us?
Yeah. Is this okay? Yes.
What are we eating, guys? Twinkies.
Oh my god, it went inside my mouth.
Obviously.
No, the sand! What? Ew!
So we just ended swimming, so now we're gonna go and change. Well, take a shower. Look at all of the mess. Well, actually, they went to shower first, and I'm just here taking care of the stuff. Hey guys, we finished showering. It's so hot, oh my gosh. We're gonna open up our Kinder Joy eggs. Where's the eggs? Okay.
I don't have mine.
Here's our eggs, and we're gonna open it. Where's all your eggs? Okay.
Here.
So yeah, I'm gonna use one hand because I'm a god.
Wow.
What kind of minion is this? Oh my god, it's some kind of weird looking gremlin.
Oh my god, Mega and I got the same one.
This is a pride flag.
Oh, that's great. Are you coming out?
No.
Okay.
Can you help me plug this in?
Oh my god, this is the body. Plug what in?
This one.
Are you seriously? Okay. Why does the minion look like that? Minion discrimination. Oh wait, it's a blade. Yeah, it is. Holy shit. How like you didn't know? I feel like I'm gonna break it.
So wait, can you hold it?
Hey guys.
Oh my god.
I'm so amazing.
Can you see it? Wait, why is it that side? It's supposed to be land. Whatever scape that is. Okay, so speaking of help,
I thought you were
that
gonna
is
do
so
it.
cool.
It's like a blade.
Where does it go?
Why doesn't it spin? Why doesn't it spin?
Now we're gonna eat the chocolate. I love Kinder eggs. I love eggs.
I'm eating it already. Oh my god.
It's so hot, and now we're gonna eat our lunch. Yeah, we got Mary Brown. I don't know what that is. Mary Brown. So we're gonna try it out. Taste test. We finished eating, and I give it a 6 out of 10.
I'd give it a 5 out of 10.
How much would you give it?
I would give it a 5.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Now we're gonna build sandcastles. Okay, so we talk about this.
Very
For
big.
like
Oh my god.
how much?
950.
$9.50.
Wait, 990. How much is it? 990.
Wow.
Okay, we gotta remove this. Freaking no idea how to do this. Oh my god, that was damn easy. Okay.
While she's doing that, look at the
I'm done with
view. Okay, I'm just showing them the sky. What song do you want to play? We'll show you the end product. Will it work? Will it not? Let's
I heard that you
see.
need tap like.
Yeah. Tap it softly.
Wow. Tap softly my ass.
Where's the edge?
Give me the shovel.
Well, it looks cool, I guess.
It is. Look at it. I'm gonna decorate it with some of these rocks that we found on the beach.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Okay.
Ooh,
Wow.
sparkle, sparkle.
I'm gonna live here. So now we're leaving the beach, and I'm really tanned, and
You're
yeah,
so sad. That's fine.
it's fine. We're gonna leave the beach.
We're
and
gonna
look
get
at
ice cream.
amazing view. Yeah, I might get it. Depends. So they bought ice cream or gelato. Hers is a raspberry.
Okay, my rating is
We're outside the shop. Oh my gosh.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. What's your rating?
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, she got mango.
Just like mango.
Okay, so probably it's obviously an infinity out of 10. Okay. Anyways, I didn't get because I don't really want it, and I'm trying to save money.
Yes.
We are walking to
The taxi stand.
yeah. That's Palawan Green. Can't really zoom in. Oh, there. Anyways, just walking, and we're so tired.
After a long day at the beach.
So now we're gonna go home. We're in the taxi, and we'll see you later. So I just got home. Well, I got home a while ago, and overall it was a great day, and I really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog too. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe down below.